What is up, guys? Today we are in Seguin, Texas, roughly 35 minutes northeast of San Antonio and about an hour south of Austin. We're going to be looking at a Chesmar home, gorgeous model. But before we get into that, my name is Dardan, your go-to expert for everything real estate in the greater San Antonio area. And it would mean the world to me if you go down below and hit that like button. And if you do not want to miss any future videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this. All right, guys, today we're going to be looking at the Charlene floor plan. Boasts roughly 2,600 square feet, 2.5 car garage with a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Comes with a study and a game room. But without any further ado, let's get into this. We are at the front of the home. I love this entrance. It's a true foyer where you don't necessarily see the rest of the house, and it really gives that separation from the front door to the living area. But right off of the entrance, we have this bedroom, which is tucked away, perfect for guests or an older child, I would say. Good size with the elevated high ceiling, and it has a great walk-in closet. Now, as we back out of this room, you have your full bath over here with a vanity toilet and a nice walk-in shower with a sliding glass door. Gorgeous, gorgeous shower. Now, as we continue down the rest, there's so much to see at the front of the home. One, like I said, you have this gorgeous foyer with the tray ceilings, really adds that level of elegance. Here we're gonna have a nice coat closet right off the front door. And then what we're gonna have on this side is a fairly unique office. It's a good amount of space, but the one thing that this office has that not many offices have is this closet, which I personally think you can make this a 5th bedroom if you wanted. Now, right across the hallway, we're gonna have our utility room. Typically, this is gonna be your garage access. So you would come in from your garage here. You have a mud bench on this side, and then back behind me, you have this very spacious utility room. You have your washer, dryer, and typically people have a fridge in the garage, but if you wanted to, you can add a fridge right here. Plenty of space. Now, going down the home, you're entered into this gorgeous centerpiece of a living area. You have the living area, the dining, and the kitchen. But let's start off with this primary living area here. You have this giant picture frame window in the middle with the 2 windows on the side that you can open. Plenty of space. You can see they have 2 couches with 2 chairs. And then in this configuration, they have this electric fireplace as a centerpiece tiled all the way up to the ceiling. Very unique feature. Now, this kitchen is absolutely flawless. We have a 2-tone kitchen combination with the black cabinets on the back and then the white cabinets on the island. I absolutely love this area right here, separate and apart from the rest of the kitchen. This is where I would personally put my coffee maker, my espresso machine. Just make it a morning spot to get started. Good size pantry. Obviously, there's a lot of water in there, a lot of space for big box items, and a lot of shelves that you could actually take all the way to the top. Now, as we continue on this way, we have your built-ins, the microwave, and the oven. And continuing this way, we're gonna have our sink, and this is a gas community. So we do have our 5-burner gas stovetop here. Gorgeous backsplash, and we do have that industrial looking vent hood that vents outside. Now, plenty of space, big kitchen, big island. We do have, I know you guys see the dining room back behind me, but we do have, I wanna highlight these additional seatings. We have 4 on this side and 1 on this side that does not compromise anything about moving around this kitchen. Now, check out this dining room area. We have a 8-seater table here, and I think you can fit an even bigger table. And what I absolutely love is we have this buffet counter space right here. So instead of on those Thanksgiving meals, Christmas meals, birthdays, instead of putting all the food, not only do you have the island, but you have this additional counter space where you could just line them up and serve your guests. Now, behind me is a primary suite, but we will get into that here in a little bit. Let's go look at the last 2 secondary bedrooms that we have. Now, like I said at the beginning, we have a study, which we looked at, and then we have a game room. This would be that game room, Very unique for a one-story. We have the 2 bedrooms here. The kids can tuck away and kind of hang out in here. Back on this corner, let's take a look at that first bedroom, or our secondary bedroom rather. Good size, plenty of room. It's a queen size bed. You have a walk-in closet right there in that corner. And as we continue this way, one thing that I forgot to mention, guys, is this door closes. So when the kids are playing video games, doing their homework, and they want that bit of privacy to focus, you just close off this door, and then the rest of the house does not need to bother them. Now, before we get over there to our last bedroom, we do have a full bath for this side of the home. Nice shower, tiled all the way to the top, vanity with a toilet. Just a good restroom for the kids on this side. We do have a linen closet right in here. And then for our final bedroom, again, good sized bedroom. Obviously they have it configured for a young child in here, but you can easily fit a queen size bed just like in the other ones. And then you do have a very spacious closet on this side. Now, let's go and check out the centerpiece for you guys, the property owner. I do want to highlight, check out these picture frame windows on this back side, letting in all this natural light into this house. Now, without any further ado, this is the owner's retreat. Gorgeous room. You have the tray ceilings, adds that level of depth and makes this room feel that much more open. Obviously, we have a king size bed in here, large furniture, still plenty of room to add additional pieces. Now, we do have that unison floor plan in this room, but I love this transition into this bathroom. This black charcoal with the veins in it, really gorgeous. We do have 2 vanities, one on this side and then one on that side. I love how they separated them. And then check out this tub. It's a massive tub. I mean, I think you're good even if you're up to like 6'5", you can fit in that comfortably. Now, continuing on to the back, we have this gorgeous shower, tiled top to bottom. I love how they have the insets for shampoo and all of the different accessories that you'll need in here. And I like how they took the tiles from the main floor and cut them into little pieces and just made that the same floor for the shower. Really cool, really good craftsmanship, and you just gotta love that. Secondary vanity that I mentioned earlier, here is gonna be your walk-in closet, and here is a linen closet for this restroom. And then a must, of course, is the water closet so that somebody can do their business and then other people can still utilize this bathroom. Very well put together. All right, guys, that's going to conclude the property tour of Chesmar here in Seguin. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, guys, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you do not want to miss any future home tours here in the greater San Antonio area, subscribe.